Hello, my name is Sarah Mare, and I'm in ELRC Section 2, and this is my Padlet that just kind of organized all of our projects that we've created this semester. And the first project that we created was our biography. And the purpose of this biography was just to introduce ourselves to the class and to Miss Debbie by putting our interests and hobbies all together on a document with a picture of us. Then the next project we had was to make a goals and objective chart on inspiration and just sort of organizing all of our goals and how to meet them and kind of like giving us something to work toward at the end of the semester. And then we used the website Symbaloo and Diigo. And this taught us how to add multiple websites to one platform for easy access. And this will help us in the future when doing research projects and stuff, for organizing all your websites for citation purposes or anything, to have them all in one spot to access them easier. And then we created, first we created our name tents. I forgot this one. And that was just to learn each other's name and track attendance. Okay, and then on to the next one. We created a travel brochure in Publisher. And Publisher was very useful in organizing all of our thoughts and facts for better presentation, such as a brochure. So I chose Italy and created my brochure on here. And then on Canva, for our next project, we use this to organize all of our information in a different way. And I really loved Canva because it was so easy to put all of our information in, and it made it a lot prettier. Let's see. Then we created blogs. And this was using Blogger, and I'll probably use this in the future to keep all my friends and family updated in my life because it's so easy to upload new pictures and updates. And then we used Google Sites, and Google Sites was just kind of added all of our projects that we've done, and it consisted of information about ourselves, future plans, and our resumes. It was kind of like a small overview of all the projects that we had completed in the class. Then we utilized the Google Slideshow program to talk about a app that we were assigned, and it showed how easy it was to create and share. Then we also used iMovie to create a quarantine movie about what we were doing in quarantine, and I wasn't really familiar with this because I'd never made a movie before, but learning this I saw how easy it was, and I may create some in the future. And then we used Padlet to create this, and I really liked using Padlet to create a portfolio of all our projects because putting them all on one page made it a lot easier to see all of them. It's kind of like a quick overview. And then my final thoughts about the class are I love learning about different websites to organize my thoughts and create better presentations. I'm planning on applying to optometry schools in June, and hopefully I'll get in, but we'll see. And that's all. Thank you for the best semester.